big mama, I'm a shit talker. I see him copy every look, I got a few daughters. Every check I deposit got a few commas.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. For those of you who may not know, I am getting a BBL Lipo 360 procedure in Miami, Florida on April 20th. Today is March 31st. So I'm just about shy of 18 days from getting it done and 16 from flying away. So I'm just showing you guys stuff that I packed. The list I gathered based off surgery, blogs, friends who have gotten their body done, random girls who have gotten their body done, you know, research through YouTube videos, also research through the plastic surgery coordinator, what she advised me to bring. I'm getting a free BBL pillow from them, as well as 5 free massages and a post-op faja that is included in my package, as long as 2 lipo foams. But some of the things I did already purchase were given to me, so I'm gonna have doubles, which is great because you do dirty things easily with all the blood after surgery. So everything that I show you guys will be underneath, posted in the description with the links to Amazon if it's on Amazon, or where specifically I got the things at. So I'm just gonna go through that now. So first things first, I did get these lipo foams from Amazon. You need 3 actually, or 4, but I only have 2, but I get 2 over there, and I can also buy one. There's a boutique at the recovery house I'm staying at. I'm staying at Sassy Queens in Miami, and they have like a little retail section as well where you can purchase things, or the nurses can get them for you, as well as you can purchase them at your plastic surgery center. So I got the foams, and this is just like a generic medical supply brand off Amazon. Then I have a small backboard that my friend gave to me. She was supposed to get surgery and she unfortunately didn't. So this is one of the backboards. Then I have the female urinal. You can stand. A lot of women prefer this. You put it in the hole because there's a vaginal cutout in the garments, the fajas you have to wear after, so you can stick this. But I don't know, because I've been seeing a lot of people who just wrap like a towel really thick and they put it as a ring around the toilet, and they face like the flusher part of the toilet, and they just sit that way without pressure on their legs and pee backwards basically. I don't know. So I don't know if I'm going to be using those just yet. I have locks. I accidentally purchased an extra one. My friend already gave me one. These are locks to lock up your luggage. If you're staying in a recovery house, no matter if it's trustworthy or not, it just gives you a peace of mind knowing your things are locked away, as well as your purse, money, personal items. I have a bunch of little alcohol prep pads and some band-aids in this little pouch that I bought, this travel pouch. Here I have some compression socks I bought from Burlington. These are cotton. They're not as tight as the other ones I'm going to show you, but they do work as well, and they go with a zipper. And they were $6.99 at Burlington, so sometimes you can get stuff cheaper in person than ordering online on Amazon, I found. This is a reusable and washable chucks pad because you do bleed a lot. So this is good to put underneath you to pick up the blood. I'm going to need to get more or get disposable ones, because I know for a fact they're not going to be washing this every time I fill it up. Or buy another one at least. I think while one's washing, I have one underneath me. Then I have here is my backboard. Next I have my backboard, which you wear underneath your faja and underneath the foams. It looks like that, and it has a ribbing. It's like a little, almost like a thong body shape to it. This is from M&D fajas. Like I said, I'll tag everything below, all the links where you can buy everything at, or if it's more worth getting something in person as well. Next is the ab board. You have to wear this underneath your faja as well. It's really hard. I know this is going to be super uncomfortable, but I'm already putting myself mentally into thinking that I'm already going to be uncomfortable, so I might as well get used to it. This is what I wanted. And then my friend was going to get surgery, but hers got canceled. So she gave me this faja. It's actually a 3X. And we're pretty similar in shape, and she was getting almost the same procedure done. So I'm not sure if maybe this would be good for me after surgery, but I'm going to take it anyways in case it is close to my size. They can tailor it, or whatever case, maybe I can use it as an extra while they're washing my other one. Then I have the infamous booty pillow. My friend gave me this. And you just basically, this is going to be your bestie for the next, not even past 6 weeks, people recommend sitting on this. So you just sit on it with your thighs here and your rear end hanging over, your ass hanging over, and this prevents killing any fat cells or any tissues that they, the fat cells they transferred, and help them survive more. You don't want to be sitting on them or ruining the shape of your behind. Then I have more compression socks. These are the ones my friend gave me. These are from Amazon, I believe. And these are more tighter than the other ones that I showed you. They're the same kind of concept, but these feel way more like tighter. Like it's not like that cheap stretchy cotton. These feel like super, super like tight. Hopefully they fit. Okay. Then for some of the clothing, I did buy I bought a bunch of men's Tommy Hilfiger oversized shirts. I am gonna pack robes. A lot of people wear robes in the recovery house. I have them here. I wear them at home, so I'll be packing those last. But I bought a bunch of men's like extra large shirts, some sports bras. I know they probably don't want you wearing super tight stuff. It increases in your skin, or it's gonna be uncomfortable on top of that. I bought some dresses from Rainbow. This was $10. A racer back, sleeveless maxi one to wear out there, or to come back with. I also have from the plus size section at Walmart in 0X, the super large like shift dress. The OB comfy to wear, and it does go all the way down to the knees, so it will cover your faja. And then I have this cute one from Rainbow for $12. It covers up, it's all black. I think maybe I could wear this in the airport with like a cardigan over, a long one. I know some people even travel like in a bonnet and a robe. That's not me. I'd rather look kind of put together. Last but not least, I have these two that are just like my skin and my pain relief stuff. So I have the Arnicare gel. I bought the value size off Amazon for $10. Hebe Cleanse, which you need to shower, the antibacterial soap, some Arnica tablets, some sanitizer, some Arnica roll-on cream. I'll link everything below. Stool softener to make your first bowel movement after surgery. And then I bought this Nature Sunrise Lymphatic Liquid Drainage supplement. A lot of girls on like surgery blogs posted about this, and a lot of YouTubers who've gotten BBLs as well. So I'm gonna see what that's about. Supposedly helps to get rid of fluid faster. So I'm gonna try that out. Then I have this pouch. It has Arnica cream, a little deodorant, a little toothbrush, even though I'm gonna have to buy a bigger toothpaste, and my Curology skincare, even though I'm probably not gonna be able to keep up with a skin routine. Who knows how I feel. I was gonna pack makeup. I don't know if I'll even be up to that or if it's necessary. A little chapstick and a loofah. So this is everything I'm packing. I obviously have to put like panties and like sweats and stuff, but that's like last minute. I'm not buying that new. I have a bunch of that as it is. The only thing I am buying is like really, really large like granny penny underwear, so it will not leave marks. And then this pillow my friend gave me, it's from Happy Wood. It's a wedge. I'm not taking this for surgery, but I thought it'd be nice to show you guys. This is how I'm gonna do certain things before I leave to make my house more BBL like, you know, approved and proof. So that when I get back, I don't have any discomfort. I don't have to like actually move stuff around. Everything's all set. Like I said, I am getting surgery in about, now it's gonna be like 18 days. It's midnight on April 20th in Miami. So I'll be posting more BBL journey updates. I'll be posting my, you know, pre-op video, a journey video when I fly down there, day 1, day 2, etc. I really enjoy watching these videos, so I enjoy making them now that I'm the person actually getting it done. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll link everything below, or if you think there's something that I'm missing that I should be taking. Again, I am getting Lipo 360, which is liposuction of like the flanks in your back and your abdomen, and then I'm getting a BBL, which is the Brazilian butt lift fat transfer. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Make sure to subscribe.